That's why that passage is very important. But to us, the more important would be the internal.
We have to protect our internal territory.
Some of that is not part of
Okay, gentlemen, we have enough of this talk already. There is a motion now. The difference is, konti ang dumadaan doon sa territorial waters natin. But who cares? Konti. But if anybody passes, then we will protect our territory by through our legislation. That's our point. So, now, we'll ask now, we'll have to divide the members, the House.
Mr. Chairman, I was objecting to the motion. So if we are going to divide the House, we will first go to the motion. We will not yet divide as to whether this side or that side, but whether to make a motion.
Okay, the chair now will ask all those in favor for the motion of on the motion of Congressman Zubiri. Please raise your hand.
What's the motion?
The motion is kasi there is an objection.
Okay.
Kasi nag-discuss na yun eh, matagal na diba?
Mr. Chairman, can we ask the Honorable Zubiri to restate this motion, please?
The motion is, we will vote on one or two things. No? One is, we will not designate any archipelagic sea lanes. Okay, in other words, we won't vote for what is in the bill. The other one is, we will vote for essentially what the bill says, to establish archipelagic sea lanes as it was presented to us earlier. So it's one or the other.
Parliamentary inquiry. Parliamentary inquiry. Well, actually, there is a motion coming from Congressman Zubiri to decide on this issue. However, the parliamentary situation is there is an objection on the part of Congressman Padilla not to proceed the vote. And therefore, the motion of Congressman Padilla is prejudicial, takes precedence. And therefore, what we have to decide right now is whether or not to vote or not to vote, to dispose of the motion of Congressman Padilla. On the objection.
Okay, so, yes.
May we know what was the original motion of the Honorable Zubiri?
No, actually, we will be choosing.
The objection of Congressman Padilla will be the basis for dividing the House. It's not whether we should adopt this objection or not. It's this motion that is the predominant, the governing motion, the motion of Congressman Zubiri.
No,
And this
Congressman Zubiri's motion is to divide the House. There is an objection to proceed with the division of the House.
If I may interpret it correctly, the motion of the Honorable Zubiri is to approve the bill.
No.
No?
To choose. To divide the House.
How can that be a motion? No, that kind of a motion. It's a ladderized kind of a motion. The motion should go directly to the point.
That was my motion. That was my original motion. There's an objection. So either we vote for the objection. If we reject the objection, let's go with the vote, and then we can vote on it. Mr. Chairman,
A or B.
we're confused, Mr. Chairman. We're confused.
We cannot communicate that everybody speaks at the same time.
Mr. Muban is the owner of the motion. I would like to ask Mr. Muban to amend the motion so that we can go direct to the point. Why do we have to go step by step? Why don't we go direct to the point? We have the busy lanes as